Hi, my name is Ethan Stafford, and I'll be going over the progress for my white paper. The subject I chose is Meta and the Metaverse that's coming out. The type is a backgrounder. The current progress is at 65%. I currently have 5 sources. For development, the outline and implementation has started, and the overviewing the steps Meta will take to increase people's comprehension of the Metaverse. So just their steps in terms of community collaboration and transparency. A lot of the sources are implemented, but I really need a lot more that focus on internal development to create a compelling argument. This isn't necessarily a white paper where I'm just referencing sources and trying to provide more information, but kind of outline a plan for how Meta will go forward with what they're doing and how to communicate that with regular people. The problems right now is I don't have enough internal sources. When you reference kind of third party sources, it's hard to get internal development insight. It's like impossible. So I have to reference development interviews from like developers and stuff. So yeah. The next steps currently are gather more resources and expand the articles to include more supporting information. I outlined a current plan for how they can kind of communicate and collaborate with different companies and different community content creators. But I need more supporting information from the developers, as I said. The completion date should be April 30th, if I can get everything in order. Concerns, it's kind of like what I was saying. It's currently with all the information, it's hard to find credible sources regarding the metaverse. The only way I could correctly find information that's relevant is to work internally or find interviews that would give some of that internal insight. But currently it's going pretty well. Yes, as I said before, the completion date should be around April 30th. And I just need to kind of tie everything together and kind of expand the articles depending on the sources I find. So that's my presentation. Thank you for watching.